Alright, so here's our grocery haul, the first one of 2016.
Yeah.
So we got lettuce, bananas, carrots, onions, 2 different types of apples, green peppers, grapes.
And me.
Yeah, we bought Noah. We got fruit rings. These were 99 cents at Kroger, so I grabbed 5 boxes.
And Mommy got this.
We got red potatoes, 3 bags of pizza rolls. They were like $1.50, so I grabbed 3 of those. And we got dinosaur chicken nuggets, chicken broth, 2 things of cheddar cheese soup, diced tomatoes,
And
2 things of cream cheese, creamer, fajita seasoning, pie crust, sour cream. 2 of these. So the other one's, is this in the fridge for your lunch? Turkey, peanut butter crackers, trash bags. We got regular crackers, bagels, tortillas, bread, which was on sale for 59 cents, and a bag of chips. Oh, and there's the other one. All right, that's it for this week.
Simple.